Hello my friends and welcome once again to Tony's Comfort Kitchen. And today I'm doing a gorgeous minced beef and potato bake. It's packed full of flavour and I'm giving it a sort of Mexican or Tex-Mex sort of style. So let's get cooking. Okay, so first of all we'll need to cut up and cook the potatoes. So I'm going to cut each potato in half and then just slice it across the potato in a reasonably thin slice. You don't have to cut them too thin. About as thick as you see here. And I have about 1 kilo of potatoes here. Next, I'm going to take a frying pan and put a tablespoon of olive oil into it and heat it up. And I'm going to put the potatoes in and we're going to cook them gently in the olive oil until they're pretty much cooked through. I'm going to add some salt, a good pinch of salt, of course some cracked black pepper. Give them a stir around, cooking them on a fairly gentle heat. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and about ½ a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Just mix them all up and we'll cook them gently, as I say. Time to put the lid on, and I'm going to cook these for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after about 15 minutes these potatoes are cooked. You just need to check on them now and again and stir them occasionally. Then we'll take them off the heat and put them into an oven dish. And then we'll put them to one side while we get on with the rest of the dish. So into that same frying pan I'm going to put yet another tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to add 1 medium onion, chopped up. And a bit more salt. And then we're just going to cook these till they're softened slightly. I'm then going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, or about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic minced. And 1 red pepper, finely diced. Just cook them down until everything starts to soften slightly. And then when it's soft, I'm just going to make a well in the middle and put in 500 grams of minced beef. This is about 5% fat, so it's quite good quality. You know the score, just break it up and let it brown. Now after a few minutes it's time to add a few spices. I am going to add some of my homemade Fajita spice mix. Now if you want to know how to make this, I will add the ingredients in the description below. It is very simple to do, just add a few spices together, mix them all up and you're ready to use it. So mix it all in. You can use whatever spices you want, by the way, you don't have to use this Fajita spice mix. And then going to add half a 400 gram tin of chopped tomatoes and 250 millilitres of beef stock. And then it's just a case of cooking it all in like you would for a spaghetti bolognese, for example, or a chili con carne. Just cook the ingredients in, let them cook down, let the liquid evaporate. Until we get a consistency a little bit like this. Then it's time to take it off the heat, get our potatoes in our roasting dish, and sprinkle on some grated cheddar cheese. Then simply pour the meat mixture over everything else and just flatten it out. And when it's flattened out, we're going to sprinkle more grated cheddar cheese on top. Like I say, all the ingredients are in the description below. I'm going to put another teaspoon of dried oregano over the top, and I'm going to put it in an oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 180 fan, about 400 Fahrenheit, for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is nice and golden, a bit like this. And this not only looks delicious, but it smells divine as well. So, time to cut it up and plate it out. And so there we have it, our beef and potato bake, done sort of a Mexican Tex-Mex style. Absolutely delicious. Perfect comfort food. Thank you once again for watching, and if you did like this video, please consider subscribing, and if you do, please also hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So take care, peace, love, and I'll see you all soon.